Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Bank Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, where we need to position ourselves. Friends, yesterday we clearly discussed like as soon as the market opens flat and if it crosses 35,000, 38,500, we'll be buying the market and we'll be targeting up until 39,000. But what it happened today, as soon as the market opened, it opened with a big gap up. Big gap up in the sense like the big players and the institutions, whoever have bought overnight, they've got the profits. But one interesting thing which I'm noticing here is like even though they got the profits, only the retail segment have booked the profits. As you can notice here, this is a retail participation who have booked the profit, but the institutions have not booked the profit. How do I know the institutions has not booked the profit? Institutions don't sell at a certain price points, and if the institutions sell, you might see this kind of a flow, like 3 or 400 points of a flow. So the institutions are still holding the market. They didn't book the profits anymore. So they are still waiting certain market making news or good news or a bad news or a sentiment. So once if they find certain things, they'll start to sell the market. So the market was in completely range today. So no big momentum at all. There was a lot of imbalances. I thought like the market would be moving on the higher side, but no, as soon as the market went up, it came down. The reason was very simple, like the market is expecting a results of TCS, Infosys and Wipro for tomorrow. So it might rise and the market might move tomorrow. And in US they are expecting a inflation data. So this time the inflation data might be negative. So it might the market might come down. So it might be a market making or market moving news tomorrow. So we might find certain trending market in both Nifty and as well as the Bank Nifty. When you see this kind of a range in the market, the institutions are positioning somewhere either long or short. We'll be confirming only when the range will be broken on the either side. If it breaks on the higher side, we might see a good short covering. Even if it comes down, we might see the longs unwinding. Let's see at the structural format. If you look into the structural format, the whole day it was in a range and not big momentum at all. It was like very light range, and as you can notice from here, there is a trend line which has been passing. That means the buyers are not able to lift. But when you see in the Nifty is looking a little bit bullish, but as you look into the Bank Nifty, like the buyers are not able to lift on the higher prices. As you can notice, it went on the higher, then it came lower, and then it retested on the higher side. Again it came lower, and you can see it is coming on the downside. If the market breaks on the higher side, after 38,800 we'll be buying the market and we'll be targeting up until 39,000. But the condition is like the Nifty, Bank Nifty has to open flat. If it opens flat in the sense somewhere like in this range, 38,760 to 38,800. If it crosses 38,800, we'll be buying the market and we'll be targeting 39,000. If it opens flat and if it crosses 38,650, and then we'll be targeting up until 38,500. We have a 500 points of a room on the downside. So if it opens a big gap down, if it crosses 38,500 and if it starts to come on the higher side, we'll be buying the market and we'll be targeting up until 38,700. And if it opens a big gap up here somewhere like 38,800 or 39,000, we'll just avoid the market. We'll see whether if it is coming somewhere like 38,850 or 860, then we'll start to either buy or sell the market. If anything news or if any important market making news or market moving news comes, I'll update at the Telegram channel. Please do subscribe my Telegram channel, and I'll be posting from Sunday certain learning videos. You might be knowing how the market will move, where the institution stops will be there, and how the stops will get triggered. I hope you like my video. If so, please do subscribe and press the like button as well, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.